Red's Iowa Train Videos, Cedar Falls, Iowa. January 27th, 2023, got westbound CN. Yeah, the L571, I didn't get to catch where he's got his work today. Yeah, it's about 23 degrees out. Got a pretty good mix on her today. Yeah, I'm shooting this video at the Cedar River. Not the best spot for the time of day, but I had to take what I could get. The detector just went off, so you gotta shoot what you can get sometimes. Yeah, westbound CN, Cedar Falls, Iowa. Red's Iowa Train Videos. Well, here's Bear. He's a Norwegian elk hound. As you can see, he definitely likes the cold. Looks like a cow out in the pasture with all the snow on his back like that. Oh, good old January in Iowa. Iowa Northern through Cedar Falls. Heading over the old Illinois Central Cedar River Bridge. Obviously, we got snow going on here in Cedar Falls. January 28th, 2023.
Westbound, no defects. Length of train 7556. Temperature 15F. Total axles 508. Speed 26. Have a safe day. Detector out.
Yeah, pretty good size Iowa Northern. Yeah, a lot of empty ethanol cars. Trying to stay downwind of the snow, keep the lens clear in the camera best I can. It's coming out of the north. We'll be slowing down quite a bit. He's approaching the Cedar Falls Junction right now, and he's going to diverge off of the CN line onto his Iowa Northern line. 10-mile-an-hour speed limit once they get to that Cedar Falls Junction, so this long train is going to be slowing down as he is right now. Yeah, I noticed that Iowa Northern Power looked like they got some LED lights at the front of the locomotive now. Seems like everybody's upgrading LED. It doesn't matter what you got, a car, a truck, motorcycle. Yeah, I got the plow on my truck. Here's my other truck. No dogs today. I'm out plowing some snow, mainly for myself. Old F-250 there. Yeah, not much for hoppers so far. This might be mainly tanks. Some strange colored blue on these couple of these tankers here. Yeah, a lot of these empty ethanol cars will most likely be going to the Shell Rock ethanol plant. You got the Trinity Rail up there now and the soybean processing plant. I got a drone video of that a while back. Pretty light snow, being only 15 degrees. It's pretty powdery stuff. Last snow we had around here was really heavy. Yeah, pretty slow motion with the Iowa Northern compared to the CN through here. The CN, they just keep going straight west. They keep their speed up pretty good. So, well, there's your air slide buffer car. Iowa Northern on a snowy day through Cedar Falls, Iowa. Red's Iowa Train Videos.